What's up, guys, and welcome back to another episode here on Full Throttle. My name is Charlie. It's been a long time, and yes, you guys have been begging me for the VHR update into Mark's car. I'm going to give you guys a quick rundown, but first I'm going to introduce myself since it's been so long. My name is Charlie. I run a shop called Full Throttle Performance. We're located in Sacramento, California, well, technically Rancho Cordova, California, and I specialize in higher performance Nissan and Infinitis, so 350s, G35s, G37, 370s, Qs, GTRs, all that kind of stuff. So that's kind of a little bit about me. I have a blue Drift Z that I built a decent amount on the channel, but then since then I've done a lot. But today is not about my car, it's about Mark's car and the update. The reason why I'm taking this is because I messed up with the footage at first, and well, while editing I messed up and I deleted a portion of it, so I have to redo this. First of all, Mark's car got impounded some time ago. After it got impounded, it actually, on the 31st day, so we got a 30-day impound for, basically the police pulled him over because he was driving a car that looks like his car. It looks clapped. It's a clean-ass car, it's just the body is not very great whatsoever. He's used it as a drift car. Anyways, you'll see the car here in just a second. But he got the car impounded. On the 31st day, they sold the car. Which was an inside job. We actually found out that it was an inside job. Took us hella long to get the car back. Somebody that worked there bought the vehicle on the 31st day. So Mark didn't even have a chance to pick up his car after the 30-day impound. After everything that we went through, we finally got the car back. Mark actually had to buy it back from this guy and gave him $4 grand, and yeah. So that's now. The first reason why I haven't been editing any video from the whole build is because I have a 12 terabyte hard drive that when I took a trip across the US, I went to North Carolina, and something happened to my hard drive. Everything got wiped. So when I plug it into my computer now, it just says it's blank, like there's no files. So everything from when I was a kid all the way up until now, every phone that I've had has been transferred onto this external hard drive that's huge. It's 12 terabytes. Everything's gone. So I'm going to try to figure out if there's a way if I can actually recover any of that. If any of you guys know, leave it in the comment section. I'd be glad to get all the footage back. But for right now, this is the end of the intro. I'm going to skip to where I'm actually talking about the car. And yeah. Okay, whole bowl clapperoni. It's got damage to pretty much every corner of the vehicle, some of which was on the car. So this car was bought at auction. We got it off Copart before we did the entire swap and everything. This was Mark's drift car from the beginning. This motor actually went into the car that we built for him to drift, and then that's when we started doing the VHR swap into this car. So with the full interior and everything, if you guys aren't familiar, every single wire, every single harness, module, body control module, IPDM, VVEL, even the headliner harness, everything is from a 370Z. So we custom did the tail lights. Yes, the back is clapped because drift car.
You know the difference between an amateur and a professional? An amateur does it so they get it right. A professional does it so they can't get it wrong. Hollywood go.
We even custom did taillights. We rewired everything. The headlights wiring is all custom. Everything that needed to be adapted to this chassis is custom. So stuff like ABS sensors and stuff like that, headlights, taillights, combination lights, all of that stuff was rewired, and everything works. Car runs, car drives. The only thing we haven't figured out so far is the door wire harnesses. So the door wire harnesses, the switch, and the motor on the window regulator is different. So the motor on 350Zs is actually, the memory for the window is held within the motor. Well, with the 370Zs, it's held within the switch. Okay, so I can't just use a 350Z motor with a 370Z switch. That won't work. And I can't use a 370Z motor because the entire window regulator design and everything is different. So we've been trying to figure that out, but we just got the car back. So this car just showed back up at the shop yesterday. I guess I'll pop the hood. Everything works. Keyless push button start. We still have to figure out, like I said, the doors are the main issue. So doors and radio, but I think you already figured out radio, right? It was just a stock radio that wasn't working?
The radio didn't work yet. I think I have missing grounds throughout the whole car, like for the door wiring harnesses.
Oh, okay.
It's not completing the circuits. It's not, the speakers are not actually playing music.
Okay, I got you. All right, so everything works besides the doors and the radio. Even AC works. So yeah, you can see we got everything tucked up over here, VVEL module and the IPDM. We relocated the battery to the trunk. What are you, oh, first of all, This is Connor.
Hello.
And this is Mark. This is Mark's car. Plans for the car.
So originally I was trying to make this car a nice daily. It's gonna be kind of close to a track car with nice big brakes. That's why I got the Akibanos on there. But then throughout the time, I wanted to drift more than just drive it daily. And plus the amount of work to get the doors and everything to work really well is just a lot of work for me. So I'm gonna keep it as a drift car for now, a nice cool drift car that has custom stuff on it. My goals with it is to get a body kit. My boy Connor over there has a fire body kit from, where'd you get it? KBD, and it's like flexible and nice. I think I'm gonna go with that. And yeah, definitely excited to show you guys the rest. We do need to, yeah, I can start it. We still need to wire up the hatch wiring too. I don't have any of that. Yeah. All that, I'll get it started. See how it sounds. Yeah, same thing. The three, I got an infinity key for now, just whatever programs. So I still have to put it in there for some reason. Not everything is done yet. Yeah. Come on, baby, start. All right, we're gonna get it started. Let's see. There she goes. Very nice. Everything works. I got AC. Alright, I want to turn on headlights and stuff, blinkers, all that. So you can see everything that was wired up. Brights work. Well, back bumper is ripped off, so the flashes are going to flash a little bit quick for turn signals, but yeah, no, everything is wired up pretty good. Like, we were actually getting the car ready. Okay, so basically we were getting ready for him to take the car to state ref. We were getting everything together. We were getting all the smog equipment, emissions equipment, all that stuff put in. We put cats on the car and all that stuff, because what we had to do is we had to take it to state referee, which is a bar and ref situation. In California, it's emissions required if you put a motor into a vehicle that was never offered with that engine. And even if it had like a different trim or something, if your vehicle was never offered with that motor, then you can't put it in the car unless you bar and ref. Well, you can put it in the car, but street legal wise. Anyways, so we were getting everything ready, and then that's when I asked Mark to bring the car to the shop so I could do the update or do this exact video right now. And on the way to the shop that morning, he got pulled over because you guys saw how the car looks. It doesn't look, it didn't look that good. We actually got a bumper on it now and a different hatch and stuff. So Mark's getting the car together now. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Stay posted, and I'm going to be coming out with all the rest of the update videos and stuff as we go along, and as I find footage as well. So hopefully I can get some of the stuff off that hard drive. But yeah, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. If you got any questions, drop a comment, and look forward to seeing you guys in the next one.